everyone. Today we will explain how to activate a predraft file and completing the creation of the file. There are two ways to activate. After you finish checking information in the predraft file, you can choose the files that need to be worked on. Select them, click on Activate Predraft Files, then click on Execute. This way you can activate files in batches. We can also activate predraft files individually. Click on the file you need to work on. Click here to activate this file. Click OK. This way the file has been activated. We can add more details to previously checked information. For example, supplier information. If you have already checked some articles, you can add it here. Then click Save. Then we come to Product Requirements information. If it is not yet completed, for example product categories, we can go ahead to finish it. Let's see in this picture, an electronic toy keyboard. We can, according to the product description and product standards, search for the corresponding product category. If an appropriate product category hasn't been found, we can use provisional. But after selecting provisional, please be sure to still upload relevant documents to the platform so that our regulatory experts can understand the characteristics of your article and give you the right advice. Click on the already selected product category. Click Next. Here, this question asks us if the product contains any intellectual properties owned by a third party, also trademarks, copyrights, etc. If it doesn't contain any, click No. Next, we are asked whether the product is sold with batteries. Choose Yes if that's the case. If sold with batteries, then the requirements for batteries also need to be met, so we have to choose Yes. This question is about the type of battery. The requirements may vary for different types of batteries. Let's assume it's a common type. Alkaline non-rechargeable batteries. Click on Next. Then we come to the SVHC section. For each, if we haven't received a report yet, we don't know if any limits are exceeded. For the time being, we can choose Pending. After selecting Pending, the SVHC requirements will still be reflected in the requirements list. Click on Next. This is a question about packaging. Usually we select Yes, include packaging in the requirements list. The following series of questions should be answered according to the article's actual characteristics. In the case of a box, it's optional. If it's a circle, it means you have to choose one. When we click on Next, we are asked if we want to add quality records to the file. You can click on Yes if these are needed, or No if not. And then we come to the social compliance section. The question is whether these standards need to be added to the requirements list. After clicking Yes, a detailed list of social compliance standards will appear, and you can choose the ones you need. If you click on No, it won't appear again. Click on Next, as Germany is an applicable region. If it is in the scope of GS, we can select this one. Finally, click on Agree and Save, and a technical file is created. Thank you.